Feel good to be back. Detail world, feel good to be back after these few days off. Storms came in last few days, even though it wasn't even that bad. They were saying it was gonna be some strong storms yesterday, but the weather ended up being glorious, man. It was like 71 degrees and it probably rained for about an hour or less. But yeah, that's one thing I hate about this Tennessee weather, man. I always tell people by the time the weather get here to Tennessee with all these mountains and everything surrounding it, it kind of changed the format of the clouds. So I think that's why the storms don't hit as hard as they should when they say they should. But you already see they're gonna rain. But on this first car, man, we doing this Ford F-150. We just doing the exterior on it, nothing major. So we gonna go ahead and get it clean. If you look at the wheels of the car, they're pretty dirty. Like I said, we're not doing the interior, so I will not show you the interior. And I know it's a little loud because the 440 is right there. That's like a small interstate that a little shortcut through Nashville. But like I said, we're about to go ahead and take care of the exterior of the car. Rick, you got something to say to the people today, man?
Hey, good morning. How y'all doing?
All right, now what's the word of the day?
Hey, man, the word of the day is celebrate deliberately.
Deliberately?
Deliberately.
All right, he says celebrate. That's the word of the day, celebrate. So I want y'all to celebrate me and go hit that subscribe button. Definitely leave a comment. Say celebrate in the comment section. Know that you're paying attention. And man, we're gonna go ahead and knock this F-150 out. Do what we gonna do best, because we love doing what we do. We gonna do what we do like always. You gonna do what you do. Hit that. I already said it. Peace out. All right, Detail World YouTube. We just finished this Ford F-150. Didn't take long, because like I said, it was just the exterior cleaning. I'm not gonna tire shine them wheels, because the wheels are rotted out, so my tire shine to just literally deplete itself on them. You know, especially if you look at this tire completely just gone. You know what I mean? You can see the white in it. That's not a white wall, people. That's not a white wall, but you see it's not a white wall neither. But like I said, we done with the exterior of the car. Ain't nothing too much we can do to it to get the dirt off of it. You know, it's one of them older model cars. It don't really seem like he took good care of it. It got a lot of deep scratches in the paint. I see he sit under a hackberry tree because it got black stuff caked on it tremendously. Yeah. So yeah, we finna go ahead and park it. Like I said, it wasn't nothing too major. Just the basic exterior cleaning on it. We didn't have to do nothing to the interior. I think we got a few more cars here. Then I got a couple of house calls, and then we're done today. Supposed to rain tomorrow. I don't know what's going on with this weather, but it is April showers. You get your May flowers. But we gonna do what we always gotta do. You do what you gotta do. It's a beautiful day today.
It will turn into sunshine.
But yeah, we got one more car, that car right there to do. Finish here. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. But before we do, man, y'all hit that subscribe button. Go check me out on Google. Hit that website at Your Way Mobile Car Care, and I'll see you in a minute. Peace. All right, YouTube. We on this second car. We doing this Nissan Rogue. We doing just a basic exterior, interior cleaning. I asked her if she wanted details. She said she wasn't 100% sure. She needs to ask her boss, because her boss is the one paying for the cars. I appreciate him having me coming out here. This is the second time just in within 7 days we out here. Like I said, it rained a couple of days ago. We would have been out here a little bit earlier. But other than that, like we said, we had Charles Hawkins Company, a good customer of mine. He got us come out here and do a few of the employees' cars. Like right now, Rennie in the inside. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and start on this exterior. I hope everybody's doing well, man. It's been a very beautiful day so far. We're gonna continue to stay good. But if you look at the car got the typical debris like always. See Rennie over here cleaning the cup holders, things like that. She got a vacuum going over there, picking it up. The back look all right. I see it's a stain on the seat right there. Hopefully we'll try to get it up. But other than that, man, it's, like I said, it's your normal debris, like always, man. Sticks, twigs, snacks, leaves, things like that. But we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. You see them right there. I'm right here. But other than that, we're gonna go ahead and get it in. We're gonna do what we do. Hope you do what you do best. Hit them like, leave them comments, leave a like, share it. Let me know what y'all think about this work. Other than that, man, y'all have a beautiful day, and we'll catch y'all later. Peace. All right, YouTube, Detail World, what it do? I hope everybody doing glorious on this beautiful day. We just finished this Nissan Rogue. Like I said, it was just a basic exterior, interior cleaning. Wasn't too major. I did shampoo the front mat because it was a little bit muddy, but other than that, man, we're gonna go ahead and do this next car they got here for us, which is a Toyota Tundra. Like I said, the interior came out well. I'm very satisfied with the work. She just came out and looked at the car. She said the car looked great. She was ready to take it, but I thought I need to just get a few videos and a few photos of the car, and then she can get her car. But other than that, man, we finished with it. It's a beautiful tree right here. It's dropping all this stuff all on the cars as we work, but it is what it is. Like always, man, we take pride in what we do. We definitely gonna keep doing what we do, so you better do what you gotta do. Hit them likes, hit them shares, leave a comment, tell them what you do. Peace. All right, y'all, we out here at this same spot out here at Charles Hawkins, still in Nashville. So we about to do this Toyota Tundra. Rennie already jumped in the inside as usual. I'm about to go ahead and knock out this exterior as he work on this interior. I asked him was it bad, he said it was bad. Rennie, what it look like in there, man?
It's not bad at all, my brother.
Let me get a little commentary from you then. What's going on? What you got going on right now?
Well, what I'm doing is, man, I'm wiping the dash down, cleaning the steering wheel, and after that, I'm gonna vacuum up the floor, which you see is not too bad. Got a little dog hair, your normal debris, you know?
You hear him, that normal debris.
Yeah,
Especially when it comes to dog hair. Dog hair just normal for us. Like, right, Rennie?
That's
I think everybody we do got a dog, literally. And he got a car seat. You see the dirt, got dirt in the doors right here, things like that. But it's not really that bad. Just a typical dirt. I don't know what that is right there. They're like some waste right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out. Got 2 car seats in the truck. Never seen 2 car seats in a pickup truck. That's a first for me, I swear. But we're gonna go ahead and knock out this exterior of this car, Toyota Tundra. We take pride in what we do. We hope you take pride in hitting the comments. Leave a like, leave a share. You know what I mean? Do something. Do it. I mean, what else I gotta say, man? Peace. All right, YouTube detail world. We finished this Toyota Tundra right here. Rennie just hitting them door jams. I just hit the windows, shine the tires, things like that. Like I said, it was just a basic exterior, interior. Rennie knocked it all out. Got a nice little shine to it. Windows was real dirty. I noticed he got kids. But other than that, man, he should be overall happy with the car. Like I said, let me show you what it looked like. If you remember with the doors, they was a little dirty looking, had that ashy look. It kind of got back matte. Just the WeatherTech mat was dirty. Yeah, but it came out well. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna lie, it came out well. Can't complain. If some of these people do want some of these stains and stuff up, I let them know, man. You gotta set that detail, man. You gotta set a detail up to get these things taken care of. But other than that, man, we definitely finished here. I'm about to do the next car, which is a LEXUS. She just brought out her key, things like that. But overall, it's a beautiful day, man. I can't complain. I'm gonna continue to have a good day. Like I said, I think after this we got 1 here. They got 2 more stops after this. But other than that, man, we catch y'all at the next one. Peace. All right, detail world. We just finished this Lexus RX 350. Yeah, like I said, it was just a basic maintenance wash, interior, exterior cleaning. Rennie just finished the interior, I just finished the exterior. We're about to head to the next stop, which is probably about 10-15 minutes from here. No traffic, so we ain't got to deal with all that. We will stop and get something to eat, because we've been here all morning. We got here about 9:30, 9:45. It's probably about 2 o'clock. I know he's hungry. I'm a little hungry, but I'm gonna show you what the inside of this car look like real quick, and give y'all a quick glimpse of it. We already packed up most of the stuff. We just got to pick up the vacuum and then we gone. But like I said, the car came out pretty well. Like I said, a lot of these people definitely need to get their cars detailed, but I know since the boss paying for it, more than likely they'll never ever get their car detailed. You know, so if that's something they want to talk to with their boss or something like that, maybe that's something they can speak up. But other than that, man, everything came out well. We did 4 cars here. We did that Ford F-150. We did a Toyota Tundra. We did this Lexus RX 350, and we did Nissan Rogue. So yeah, man, I feel good about the day. I'm very proud that I'm still be able to get services. I mean, business and people willing to use my services. Like I said, we head to the next stop. We probably had 2 more, but I think she just told me that she has to leave by 3. And I'm definitely not the type of guy to rush to get anything done. But like always, man, you hit the subscribe button, hit them likes, leave a comment, share this video. Let everybody know what type of work we're doing out here at Your Way Mobile Car Care. And hopefully if you're in the Nashville surrounding areas, we can take care of you. And I'll catch you at the next one. Peace. Detail world, what it do? We just finished this GMC YUKON Denali. Didn't get any shots prior to us cleaning it because I was kind of in a rush. Trying to catch this one more customer, but he haven't returned my text. He does this so often to watch. As soon as I get home, he gonna pull up to me. Are you still coming? You ain't even let me know if you coming. But anyway, we just had to do the basic on this interior, exterior cleaning. Rennie already knocked in the inside, already knocked out the outside, windows, wheels, everything good. Vacuum, see, nice and clean in there. Seats, cup holders, things like that, monitors. But yeah, man, we out here in Green Hills, Tennessee right now. It's a little red right there. Tried to get it out. I just shampooed right there because there was a few stains right there. But other than that, everything came out clean. All windows are done. Everything's done. We did the other car the other day. Like I said, about to head home. Hopefully, on the way home, dude, house is on my way home. Hopefully you text me by then. But if not, we heading home. Call it a day. Like always, man, hit that subscribe button. We're gonna definitely have some more content coming soon. We'll be taking these kids canoeing, so definitely gonna be out there. Definitely had a drone following me and everything out there doing canoeing. My birthday coming up soon, so we definitely gonna be doing a vlog for that. My son's birthday coming up soon, we're gonna be doing a vlog for that. Just got a bunch of content that we're gonna be trying to put on the page besides me just working, because it is the vlog. You know what I mean, other than that. But I appreciate everybody, man. Like always, hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, turn on your notifications, and I'll catch you tomorrow. And whenever you see me, or the next time I see you, peace.